Hey, just like anything else, the more you look at this stuff, the more you see. Um, I don't think I noticed this earlier. AUDUSD banging off of the 50 EMA 4-hour chart. This might be an opportunity for the pullback that we're looking for. If I use a Fibonacci here and I can try to see if we have an entry, I think we might have one identified here. A little bit lower than where I'm predicting the uh, the pivots to land for tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. But we've got kind of like an idea. So yeah, we'll see. I'm looking for the pullback. I'm going to look for a rejection there. A beautiful little entry area and get in. As soon as I see that rejection form up, I'm going to really want to time it on the 1 hour to drop down. So you'll notice that there's no kind of barrier or resistance on the 1 hour chart. It's just really a higher high forming. And we're going to look for a lower low here. And that's how we're going to actually get into this trade. So that's a smart way to do it, in my opinion. I could rush through this and say, oh, well, the time to get in was right after this low test was forming. That's one theory. I'm sure there's people who can do that. Right now, I definitely do not trust um, entering a trade based on just that. There's just not enough confluence for us to jump into that consistently. So instead, I'm gonna look for this pullback. I'll get in late. I'm gonna miss this section of the move, obviously, but I think the pullback will put us in a position to still catch wave three, as Irek Piekarski calls it. So we'll look for wave three to ride up to this new key level and beyond. So yeah, that's where we're at. All right, peace.